Just imagine how it would feel if your life completely changed in the next 30 days. If your age is between 13 and 25, this video could be the most important video of your life. This is not another motivational video you watch in January and forget. This is the exact strategy that changed my life. If you follow this step by step for the next 30 days, you will see your life change positively. And by the end of this year, you will shock everyone, maybe even yourself. But you must promise one thing. When you start becoming your ideal version, you cannot afford to stop. You must work silently, because silent growth creates the loudest results. When you grow in silence, people will speculate. Don't explain. Don't justify. Disappear, transform, and return like a lightning strike, unexpected and powerful. To do this, you must follow a 6-stage process. If you fail at stage 5, you will never make a strong comeback. Stage 1. Build a winner mindset. To make a powerful comeback, you must break your comfort zone. Bruce Wayne had everything: money, luxury, power. Yet he chose pain. He left comfort, trained brutally, and became Batman. Not for comfort, but for a mission. For the next 30 days, challenge yourself. Wake up early and take a cold shower. Follow a strict daily schedule. Walk 10,000 steps plus 30 minutes workout. Face your insecurities. Don't run from them. Fix your posture, walk confidently, meditate daily. Your body language and habits shape your identity. Stage 2. Kill distractions. Most people fail, not because they're lazy, but because they're distracted. Use the deadline effect. Set 90-minute focus sessions. Phone off. One task only, no escape. If your brain wanders, count backwards from 5 or do push-ups. Next, dopamine control. No reels, no scrolling, no cheap pleasure, at least for 7 days. Fix your sleep, food, and nutrition, because a weak body creates a weak mind. Stage 3. Focus on one goal. Most people plan, but never start. The secret? Start small. David Goggins started by running just 1 mile. Use the 2-minute rule. Don't think about finishing, just start. Consistency beats perfection. Stage 4. Improve daily. Every single day, become 1% better. Read longer, train harder, focus deeper. If you don't improve daily, your comeback will fail. Stage 5. Suffer in silence. This is where most people quit. You will feel pain, you will feel lonely. People may forget you. Still, don't stop. Bleed in private, smile in public. When it hurts the most, push again. You don't need to be the smartest. You only need to be the one who never quits. Stage 6. The return. When you reach this stage, people who doubted you will fear comparing themselves to you. Now decide. Do you want another average life, or do you want a powerful comeback? The choice is yours.